Hey guys, so today this video is gonna be me using the infamous Bloodlust palette. Oh, there's some cat hair in that. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna be doing this. I am gonna be doing something kind of different on this. It's gonna be more greeny. I am gonna want to use Vile Serpent and a few of the purple pastel shades. I've normally been using this, but I'm actually gonna use this liquid lip by Jeffree Star in the shade Venus Flytrap from his, I think it's 2000. How long ago? 2015 summer collection. I don't know when exactly, but his lipsticks make great liquid eyeshadows. So what I'm gonna do is actually get I need something. I'm gonna use this. This is a Morphe M431. It's like a little tiny pencil brush. I do not recommend getting these because they are so janky. The hairs hurt. Like, they're natural hairs, but they freaking hurt. Like, I don't know how these are made, but I don't like it. So I put the green on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna kind of shape the thing that I want to do. If I need more, I'll just get more, but so I'm gonna do that. Can I just kind of like that. I feel like this lime green is gonna look so good with the purples. So now that I got the color, I'm just gonna switch to a Morphe 456 and then kind of just like blend it, because his lipsticks do dry to a matte. You just wanna blend them before they get stuck. Damn, you can't even see what I'm doing. Honestly, it blends so well. So like that. And then I am going to I'm gonna deepen the green with a darker green. So I'm gonna grab this. It's gonna be an M456, but a different one because the other one had like a green on it, which I guess I could use, but I'm not gonna. So I'm gonna go into Vile Serpent and then just really pack that onto the outer part right here. And then I'm just gonna and I don't know if I told you guys, but I primed with the MAC Paint Pot. Okay, so now that I got that on the outside, I am going to blend it out with, I use this one. This is a Morphe 433. I'm just gonna rub the rest of the color out of my arm just to make sure I don't have anything. And then I just want to blend the edges of the dark green into the light green. I'm just kind of grazing the edges just to like scratch the dark green. Okay, and now, so it's kind of hard to see the lime green to it, but you can kind of see it there. Damn, that green blended out so well. So yeah, it looks like that. Let's see. I wonder if I switch the brightness. Hold on. Can you tell? No? Oh, you can kind of tell there. So it's kind of hard to see it, but it's there, trust me. Okay, now I am going to use probably... I think I'm going to use this purple right here. This is Take the Crown. Oh, I love this. I don't know what it is, shimmer metallic one. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and grab it on this. On this Morphe 166 brush. I'll just grab it. Dude, it grabs so well. And then kind of just like... Okay, so now I have that. Dude, that looks so good. I'm gonna really emphasize it with... Yeah, I'm gonna go back into my Morphe M456 and I'm just gonna re-emphasize the Vile Serpent shade over here. Dude, that look. Wow. This eye just... Wow, blew my socks off how good it is. Okay, so I am gonna go in with the inner corner. What would be a cool inner corner of this? I'm gonna go in with Beauty Sleep. No. I'm gonna go in with Wet Jewel, which is his new formula right here. It's more of like a glitter. And I'm gonna grab it with a Morphe 321 just to really pack it in that inner corner. Alright, and then I'm gonna kind of do what I did on top on the bottom. So I'm going to run a little bit of that Vile Serpent shade underneath. I'm going to use the Morphe 456, but I'm just going to use the very tip of the edge of the brush. And then I will grab this little Morphe E36 little pencil brush, and I'm going to grab the Venus Flytrap liquid lip on the brush. It's a little bit dry, so it's a little bit more of a gel texture, but I just want to use that to run it on the inner half, if I can. So it's a little bit dry, so what I will actually do is take the crown on the same brush, the E36, and then let's run it. Just to like really make it pop. And that is going to be a second look all complete. It's pretty hard to see though. Like this green is like making it impossible to see. Let's see. Can you see? Oh, hold on. So that is what it looks like. I hope. Dang, this look was super hard to see. I wish like I can start getting like better light eventually, but this is what both eye looks look like. I'll take more pictures and post them, but you guys kind of get the gist of it. Alrighty guys, I will talk to you in a different video. Love you guys.